We searched how to buy shares of EuroDry Ltd and will walk through the steps. EuroDry Ltd is a dry bulk shipping company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EDRY. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker EDRY to find the listing. Make sure you select EuroDry Ltd with the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and exchange to ensure you have the right listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.